Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to fix unauthorized MCP server error in your Antigravity. You can see guys, I'm having this error message in my Antigravity. Now I'm going to show you how to fix all this. Now guys, this is a straightforward step you're going to do. First and foremost, locate your settings. Once you locate your settings, go ahead and click on customizations. Now, once in the customizations, go ahead and delete all available MCP servers. After deleting them, go ahead and come over here to the permissions. Now, once you come to the permissions, come and click on this one which says Network Access Rules. Click on it and then make sure that it's set to allow. Now, after that, go ahead and close up Antigravity. Alright, so after closing Antigravity, you go ahead and open it up from the start over here. And once you open it up once again, that error message will be fixed. Thanks for watching guys. We shall meet